Welcome to Hozpitality.com. Today we'll talk about what you can do on the website as a candidate or an employer. Candidates obviously can search jobs on the website using keywords or different search filters. They can get their CV designed through our services. They can look at interview tips, hospitality education, job searching tips, latest hospitality news and blogs on our website, resume tips, do's and don'ts, hospitality videos about Gulf market. We keep updating on this section. Hospitality networking. We have a community networking site, hospitalityplus.com. Professional CV designing, and obviously we have Middle East. We are the organizers of Middle East Hospitality Excellence Awards, so you can read about all that on the site. What can an employer do on the website? Employers can post their jobs, they can search database CVs. We help clients in pre-opening, bulk recruitments, and executive search. So there are some positions, if you'd like not to post on the website, you can just send them to us. Confidential positions, you can advertise on us. You can post your announcements, your movements, transfers, community section. We have testimonials, CV designing, and so on. So if you go back to the hospitality.com homepage, you will see there's a job search here. You can search jobs by industry, department, location, and level. We have sections for advertisements, so obviously suppliers, companies who are interested in promoting their brand can advertise on our website. We have latest jobs showing on the website. Then we have featured employers on our website. Most of the hospitality companies use us for online recruitment. Then we have latest news. So most of the news, we have over 15,400 news articles right now on the website. These are all news and blogs on the website where you can read of what is happening within the hospitality industry in the Middle East and Gulf region. We also get news from outside the Gulf region, but majority of it is from the Gulf region. So these are few things. We also do interviews, reviews of hotels. So if you click on reviews, you would see what reviews we've done. We've traveled to different countries, different hotels, and do reviews. We do interviews of the general managers. So if you need to contact us for any of these services, please get in touch with us at email@hospitality.com and we'll get back to you. Thank you very much.